Hi everyone, today I will show you a beginner-friendly way to claim your group rewards in Plants vs Brainrots. First, just tap on Shop, and then just scroll down, and then just tap on Group Rewards. And then in here, you will see rewards like this. But before you can claim them, the game asks you to complete a couple of steps like this. To complete this first step, just like the game, to do this, just leave the game. And then at the very start, before entering again, just scroll down and then just tap on like button like this. And then step 2, just scroll down again and then just tap on developer and then just tap on join community. Once done, just go back into the game again. And then next, just go back to group rewards and then just claim all your rewards easily. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.